Guess what? I'm in my bedroom, and that means it's time for another mini review. I don't have many things in my bedroom from Amazon, but I will put the links in the description below. But I did want to take you through my bedroom and show you, I don't know, how I live in it, the decor, just show you a little bit about my room and how I like it and how I've been living in it in the past 8 months. Yeah, let's go see what we can get into. First things first, we are going to start with my comfortable bed. So, do you guys see how much room is up there? It's about from there to there. This is a full-size bed. I did have a queen-size bed, but I decided not to bring it in here because if I would have, it would not have left me space right there. The mattress, I feel it's comfortable. I do not have, I guess, any protection underneath, so a lot of people have been in my Tiny House Central group saying stuff like, has anybody gotten any mold on their bed if it's on the floor? So my shower is right there, like my shower is in this area right here, so if there was to be any mold, it would be right there. Let's check it out. I'm gonna lift this up and hopefully you guys can see in there. Any mold, guys? Oh my god, this is heavy! This little cover thing there, I did buy it for show and it matches my tiny house. However, reality has it, this guy right here is constantly laying on my bed, so I didn't want to have to keep fixing it all the time, but if I am showing it or touring it, I will throw it out there just so it looks like a nice setup bedroom. I have these, I bought this set on Amazon as well. I have never had a duvet or a duvet cover before, so I'm trying to get used to doing the laundry and actually washing this duvet cover. I did buy 3 sets of these, and I do have the rest downstairs for the 2 guest beds. They were fairly priced and they're very comfortable. This duvet is so comfortable, like I love it better than a blanket or a comforter or anything. That pillow right there is just another, like, it's an accent pillow. It's kind of cream looking. That is my space heater. Again, I got this space heater at one of these places. You can find the link, or not the link, but you can see the spaces up here. That's where I got that little guy right there. I like it a lot. It's powerful. These shears I got at Walmart. I put these shears on all of my windows and it makes the light come in and it's nice and bright and I can see out a little bit and nobody can really see in. I wanted to decorate my tiny house, my tiny house's name is Tiny Dreamer. So I figured take Dreamer and put dream catchers, and it was kind of bohemian. And I'm kind of eclectic, so I incorporated all of this into my tiny house. I used to have tons of different stuff, so check out all these things over here. Gargoyles and celestial stuff and fairies. In this corner, this little guy right here is a 6 outlet thing. Now, when I had my tiny house built, I only had 2 outlets. Before I moved in, I thought I'm gonna have way more things to plug in, so let me get some more. I bought 2 of those, and I just really like those things. This dream catcher I got from 2 friends of mine. The plants I believe I got at, let's say, Home Depot or something, but the planters, the planter itself came with these like long hanging things, and I didn't like the long hanging things, so I bought these extra things right there. So I'll give you guys these things right here, and then these things right here. Here are some more decorations on my wall because I didn't have much horizontal counter or like desk space or anything like that. I decided to build up and put the stuff on the wall. I am a pagan, so that's why the star is there, and I probably got that at an estate sale or in a garage sale, but that, you know, represents who I am and what I practice and stuff. And instead of having the ton of stuff that I used to have in my house, see, find it right here. See all this stuff right here. This. I used to have all of these decorations to represent that. Same with the crystals. I decorated going up. So again, vertically on the walls, and I purchased these two rustic things on Amazon, and with the crystals that I kept and saved, that's where those went. So I put those in there. Got the light that goes all the way across there. I believe I got that at Farm and Fleet. I don't know. Another one of those things. I actually just got that because my desk, my dresser over here was taking up so much room. So basically this is what my wall looks like. It's not too cluttered. I guess I could always add something right here. In this little corner is what I would call my side table. That was supposed to be my side table right here, but it appears that there's not enough room here. I kind of switched my whole room around to what I wanted it before. I just decided not to use that big old thing as a side table, so I use it as just a holder for other stuff. So this rack right here I got at Hobby Lobby, and it was for my business, but I don't use it, so I'm going to use it for me. I keep my tissue up there. I usually keep drinks right there, like a water. That's my stash box, and you're not supposed to know what's in my stash box. This little garbage can right here is perfect to fit in that space, so it kind of just fits in there, and I empty it often. This little bad boy was downstairs. I bought about 4 or 5 of them, so that holds like little things. And then I hold like candles and stuff down there. I just recently changed my bedroom, and I took my hanging closet off of here. It was hanging down here, so now it's a big open space. This I bought at Walmart, and it was much better than the mesh bag that I had there. All of these things I got at Walmart. I kind of wish I would have gotten more of those to hold all of those extra clothes, because they're those 4 right there extra clothes, and the stuff up there is just like paperwork. In my old apartment I had tons and tons and tons of jewelry. Sold a lot of that, but I decided to keep a lot of it as well. I had a jewelry box. I had like 2 or 3 jewelry boxes. I made jewelry, so jewelry came to me easily, and I kept it easily, and I loved wearing it. So I don't wear chains. I usually wear 1 chain all the time, so these are like backup chains. I feel this type of jewelry box saves on space. This is square, but it's flat, and it's got all this, like, it's got tons of room inside, and I've got all the tons of pendants, and tons of stuff fits in here. Like, you do not have to give up all of your stuff. I am going to put the link to this in the description below. I'm going to show you what's on my dresser. Got some special stuff up here. This little melter there. I decided to stop using candles and only use soy wax melts for the benefit of my cats. This wood thing I got on Etsy. This one right here, they just took the outer edge off of the trunk and then made little shelves. And that's what that's sitting on. It's like a little shelf. Himalayan salt thing I got on Amazon, so you can find that right there and in the description below. This is a piece of my whoopee. Now, I used to have a whoopee when I was little and growing up, and when I moved out of my mom's house, that whoopee was left there. And one year for Christmas, I opened that frame with a piece of my whoopee in it, which I thought was really cool. I've got one of my cats in there, my cat's ashes, and then I got my dad's ashes in there. I kind of use this big space as an altar. All in all, I really like the space that's in my room. I have that big thing there, the dresser, and I purchased it from the builder, so I also had them hand make that as well. And last but not least, we have this shag rug. Honestly, I would not recommend it. The only way I would recommend it is if you use it as a decorative rug, because I sit here every day and it is now mangled. The edge of it here, like all of this, has not, like, this is how it started out, is like a fuzzy, furry stuff. But here, it's seriously mangled because I'll put my feet here. For anything other than like decor, I would not use it. Wasn't that an easy one? There's not many things in here. I am used to having a lot more stuff than this. You guys can find these things in the description below if you want to know where I got any of them from. If you guys liked this video, please subscribe below and hit the notifications bell if you want to receive more of my videos. And I will come at you with another video real soon. See ya. They're just lounging. There's not many things in my bedroom. Sorry, there is very windy outside. Can you hear that? Look at Rome's. Hey, Rome's. Romeo. Rome's. Hi, baby. Need to... Oh my God, it is so windy. Holy crap. Look at that cat. Hey, Rocky. Does Rocky love mommy? Look at that guy.